Hi everyone, Nathan Hall here. Today's lesson, we're going to look at some terms from your math class. These are things you had last pod, but they will show up again, so it's good to know them pretty well. Our goal here is if you can tell the differences. A little bit about fact and opinion too. That's something we talked about in the live class, something we talked about last week. And from here, I'm just curious what you guys think about math. Just want to see if you can phrase an opinion. We'll talk about this in the live class. Real quickly, here's our objective, our standard, our objective, just one. We have one essential question. How do we find these four things? So here are some points here. By the way, we do have math help now every Tuesday, Thursday, 12:45, right after homeroom. You don't have to come. It is optional. If you need help, I'm there. If you don't, trust you know what you're doing. So the mean is an average of many numbers. To find it, what you have to do is take all the numbers together, add them up, and divide them. So let's say you have three cousins. They're age 8, 11, 14. What's their mean? Okay, what's 8 plus 11 plus 15? 33. It's a big number, right? We have three cousins. Their total years are 33. We divide by 3, 33 by 3. 11 is the mean age. Your grades are usually the mean of your test scores. So here I gave an example. Let's say you got these scores. Divide them by 5. Oh, how many 5? 6, 7. And you get the number. That gives you your grade. So here's some activities we'll do in the live class. You want help with this. So median is right in the middle. The median, middle number. If we have a bunch of numbers here, the one in the middle is the median. The easy way to remember this, have you ever seen these things? These are median strips. If you imagine your arm, there's a nerve called the median nerve. Runs right through it. So I gave a lot of numbers here. We'll do this in the live class. Here's a situation where you'd use the average. When you'd use it, let's say you're talking about how much rain Puerto Rico gets if it's more than Pennsylvania. Well, here's, by the way, here's a chart. You'd add up how much it rains each month, divide it by 12, average rainfall every month. If you get a job that pays $30,000 a year, how much you get paid on average? And mode, most common value. So here, see all these 23s? There's our mode. I'm going to do some activities on that here. The most common value that's going to show up. These are going to be mainly finding activities and range. Smallest number to biggest number. What's in between is your range. So a lot of this will just be finding things, moving them around. For the quizzes, one more. This will be one of your vocabulary words. Great one to know here. Outlier. When you're doing something for a range, one number is much bigger than the others. Like, look here, 38, 48. What? 67? That's a big one. So we'll go over some of these in the live class, and that's kind of it. If you need any help, remember we do have the Ell Math sessions, and we'll go over these in live class as well. So the big thing to know, your vocabulary, mean, median, mode, range, and outlier. Be sure you know those words. That's all for now. I will see you later. Goodbye.